Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just literally got back from Chicago within the hour, and I have some packages that I need to unbox, so I'm super excited about that, and I wanted to share them with you. And I'm going to do two of them at the same time so that you can see. The first one I already opened because I wanted to show my husband because he's excited about it too. And this is from a company called Dragon Hoard Yarn. She can be found on, I believe she can be found on Etsy, but now that I think about it more, I think it's dragonhoard.com. I will try to remember to link it below. If I forget, please kindly remind me. But it came wrapped really nicely in this really pretty tissue paper. And she had a sale on some of her fall colors, and I took advantage of that, and look at these beautiful colors. So this one is called Sweater Weather, and it's got beautiful fall golden colors with a little bit of brown, a little bit of burgundy. It's just really pretty. And then this one is called Vintage Fall, and I could say kind of the same thing about this one as I could about this one, only this one has a little bit more of colors like this, like the plum and even some beautiful blue. It's just gorgeous, and some cream. Both of these are just gorgeous, and this is the company, Dragon Hoard Yarn. Oh, there, and her email address, or it's dragonhoardyarnco.com. So like I said, I will try to remember to post it below, but these are the two colors. This one is Sweater Weather. This one is Vintage Fall. I don't know that she still has them in her site, but I do know that they were on special and I picked them up. This is my first yarn from her. Her name is Tristan. She and her mom do the Yarn Cafe on YouTube, and it's a lot of fun, and these are really nice. These are DK weight, and they are both 75% merino and 25% nylon, and you get 246 yards so in each hank. So yeah, it's pretty nice, and I like how she puts this on the bottom. That's kind of cute. Very cute. So then the other place I ordered from, I probably shouldn't show you my address, huh? Is the Wool Warehouse. I know that's upside down, but I found this place through Ravelry, and they have really inexpensive yarn, and they also sell buttons. And I opened this, but I didn't take it out. So it looks like I got everything in a really large project bag. For whatever reason, I tried to say project just now. Very weird. And it has the Wool Warehouse on the handles, which is super cute. And then I have a little project bag with all of my buttons in it. So let's see. This is the Drops Puna. And I'll just read one while I hold this one up so you guys can see. It is unicolor, soft and warm, and superfine alpaca. And I'm trying to see what it says about it. It takes a size 4, and it's 50 grams, 110 meters, 120 yards, and it's 100% alpaca. And it is very soft. It has a little bit of a halo. I think you guys can see that. And I bought enough to make something with, and I don't remember what it was that I have, but I have it written down. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these. I kind of think it was a sweater that I wanted to make. And it's very pretty. I like the color. So yeah, hopefully that's enough. And then, wow, look at this. This is chunky, and this is Drops Air, and it is super squishy. Oh my goodness. It is, I have another one of these too, so let me read the other one while I show you guys. I don't know what part you want to see, but this one is use needle size 5 millimeter. It's 50 grams, 164 yards, 65% alpaca, 28% polyamide, and 7% wool. I don't know what that is, but it says a medium thick blown yarn made of baby alpaca and merino wool. So from what I remember, this is like it's hollowed out and blown in, which I don't know exactly what that means, but it's super, super light, super, super pretty. Let's see, I didn't tell you my colorway. Oh, well, this just says color 10, and this one says color 10. Looks like I like the color 10 in both of them. This is so soft and squishy. And I don't remember exactly what I got, but I did buy these for something specific. So I will try to share that with you guys when I'm making them, or when I'm, you know, in my video podcast, I will tell you for sure. But I have 4 of those, so 200 yards. I have 3, it looks like, of these. These are Drops Lima, wool and an alpaca for every day. This is in the color 3145. It's a light pink. It says it's a 4mm needle, 50 grams, 109 yards, 65% wool, 35% alpaca. It's got a little bit of glistening in it. I don't know if that's from a different yarn, because I only see it every once in a while by the tag, so I guess it's probably not from this. But this is the Drops Lima unicolor, and it's rather, in my opinion, this is definitely like a sport weight, in my opinion, from what I know so far. And it looks like I have 2 more things to show you. Drops Napal. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. And this says Napal Mix. It is wool and alpaca for every day. So it's kind of like the other one, only I think this is a little thicker. And this is colorway 8912. And it is a 5mm needle, 50 grams, 82 yards. So compared to the Lima, yeah, this is a thicker wool, but it is 65% wool, 35% alpaca. So it's the same as this one, but you can see maybe it has a thicker, it's a chunkier yarn. So this is like a worsted weight, maybe even Aran. And it's kind of a pink, and it has like little beige specks kind of in it. It's kind of a rose color. I know they have color names online. And then the last yarn that I got is this one, and it is interesting. It is Alpaca Boucle Mix. Boucle Mix. It's 80% alpaca, 15% wool, and 5% polyamide. And it takes a 5mm needle, and it is 50 grams and 153 yards, and it is in the color 517, and it's kind of curly. Look at that. It's fun. It's really kind of neat, and it's really, really soft, and it's also by Drops. It's really soft. So that's the yarn that I ordered. Well, some of the yarn. I think I have some more coming, I think. Because I made a list of things I wanted to get on my needles, and I know that I have stuff for all of these in my queue. So I love that it gives you a project bag. I don't mind these. The drawstring bag seems to be my favorite, and I don't mind the see-through ones now. I wouldn't keep all of this yarn in there, but it's kind of nice. Okay, so then I also got some buttons. And some of it's for all of those little baby sweaters and things that I've been making. And some of it's just to have. So these are heart-shaped buttons. Looks like I got 2 of those. Oh no, 3. Yeah, 3 pieces. And I really won't be able to tell you like how big they are or anything, I don't think. Heart-shaped buttons. Oh, you know what? I can tell you some of the colors. So the Air one is in the color Fog. The Alpaca Curly one was Gray Mix. The Drops Lima was Powder Pink. The Drops Nepal was Blush. And the Drops Puna was Old Pink. Did that one come in it? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this one's the Puna. This one is the Old Pink. The Nepal is the Blush. And it says Lima is Powder Pink. Which one is the Lima? This one. This one must be the Lima Powder Pink. So let me just cross those off. The Old Pink, Blush, Powder Pink, Gray Mix, Fog, and I'm trying to find these heart-shaped buttons, but I can't find them. Oh, crystal buttons, heart-shaped, pack of 3. These are 20 millimeter. And it looks like I have, yes, I also got the clear ones. There's a pack of 5 of these. So these are 12 millimeter, but the same kind of thing. They're just crystal hearts. Really cute. And I like how they package these. There's 17 of these. They are just little white flowers. Pearlescent white. Pack of 17, and they are, whoops, they are 11.25 millimeter. And then here are some heart-shaped buttons, pearlescent lilac, I believe. And there are 12 of them, and it is 12.5 millimeter. And then I must have gotten 2 of these. And then here are some flowers that are pearlescent baby blue, 17 of them, 11.25 millimeter. Some flower shapes, and they are pearlescent baby pink, 10 millimeter, 17 of them. And heart-shaped buttons, red, pack of 17, 11.25 millimeter. And then, if you guys remember, I call my daughter Chicken, so I got these handmade chicken buttons, pack of 5, 25 millimeter. And then I thought these would be cute on maybe a scarf or something for myself, and they are sheep, handmade round sheep, 2 holes, cream, 22 millimeters, pack of 5. Super cute. And then the rest came in this little Ziploc, so let me see. It's just an assortment of different buttons. I have these with a little heart that you can embroider that just say handmade. And handmade wooden buttons with multi-hole heart, 23 millimeters. So I have a few of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And then it looks like I also got an elephant. Like I just got individual ones. This is 20 millimeter. I got a little pig with legs. Oh my goodness, he's too cute. The little legs kind of move. He is 18 millimeters. A little dog, 18 millimeters. No, 20 millimeters for the dog. A little ladybug. And that one is 14 millimeters. a flower, and that one is 20 millimeters, and it's a mother of pearl. So, oops. You can see that's like kind of the back side, and then the front side is kind of pearlescent. And then I got 5 of these little coconut buttons. Oh goodness. So on one side it's dark, and on the other side, I keep wanting to drop it, it's light. So those are 20 millimeter, and looks like I got 6 of those. Oh, I got 2 of these. And then I got some handmade just pretties with hearts on the side. I thought those would be good for hats, like for pom-poms. It looks like I got 4 of those. And those are 25 millimeter. And then finally I got one little sheep, and he is a wooden sheep, 18 millimeters. Oh no, he's a plastic sheep. And they had different colors. And he's just a knitted sheep. So you can see he has the knit stitch all on him. Super cute. And he was like, I can tell you how much some of these were. The little buttons, and these are all in, they come from the UK, so I don't know what is it francs or euros? I guess it might be euros, I don't know. So that was, the buttons were anywhere from like 38 cents to $2.28. The 10 balls of Drops Air, the yarn, the fog, was $10.78. The 10 balls of the Puma was $16.11. So that was the most expensive thing. Really inexpensive. Again, this is the Wool Warehouse, and you can find it if you just Google the Wool Warehouse. It will take you to it. This is what the little thing looks like. Logo. Super cute, and they delivered quite quickly. I don't know when this came. As I said, I was gone to Chicago, but I mean, it had to have been within a week. So, I mean, it came very quickly in my opinion, and I'm really excited about all of these. Like those heart-shaped buttons, like all 17 of like these were $1.41. So, I mean, it's very reasonably priced, and you can get a lot of bang for your buck. And hopefully, I've never used this Drops yarn, but I've heard a lot of people use it and like it, so I'm hoping for the same results. And yeah, that is that. I'm just putting it all back in its little bag. And how cute! Oh, I love them, I love them, I love them. And my little button. All right, so I got some knitting to do, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to let you guys see a little bit of what I got while I was gone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.